Nairobi County government next week expected to present a 33.8 billion shillings 2018-2019 financial year budget to the County Assembly for approval. The budget, the Mike Mbuvi Sonko-led administration says, will be key in achieving his election pledged to the city residents. Nairobi city budget highlights budget financing. The budget will consist of 15.7 billion shillings from the national government as part of the equitable share. 17.4 billion shillings will be raised from its collections, among them licenses and parking fees, and another 700 million shillings from conditional grants. The budget spending Health Department will receive the lion's share of 6.9 billion shillings, while Department of Public Works, Transport and Infrastructure will get 6.2 billion shillings. The Governor's Office will receive 4.7 billion shillings. Education and Water and Environment will receive 2 billion shillings respectively. Project funding in details. Let's take a look. The road projects will receive some 3.7 billion shillings, while 200 million shillings has been set aside for the construction of a stadium. Some 757 million shillings will go towards the purchase of health commodities such as drugs, while 139 million shillings has been earmarked for curbing air and noise pollution. Another 25 million shillings has been set aside for construction of fish ponds in the city.